back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, currently it's like 1:50 in the night, and obviously it's so winter, it's so cold here in Delhi, and मेरा जो है college is on Monday, and I'm already like there is so many assignments in my Google Classroom that is due. I have to get this done by tonight or by early morning tomorrow because सबकी deadline कल ही है, and like I am in final year of my college and this is gonna be my last semester. I am currently in the 6th semester of my college. So yes, तो ये मेरा first assignment है of this semester. I'm just done with that. Like मेरा MIS का, that is Management Information System का assignment is done. So not done basically, इसमें हमारे 2 assignments हैं that we need to like go through with the case study, and उसके बाद हमें उसका analysis करना है, then जो current scenarios हैं उसे compare करना है, and there are many more things are there. So yes, मेरा एक part हो गया उसका. Now the second part I am going to get that done. Let me show you all first. So these are my assignments like of the same subject. मेरा tutorial के लिए भी I have one case जिसमें I have to like submit the argument and other things. इसमें भी मुझे करना है, and there are many more subjects too. Like एक assignment ये है, and then I have assignment of what due date इसकी भी कल ही है, that I need to study again. ठीक है, these two are the like again the homework, and what's its due date? Due is tomorrow, it's mentioning here. And then एक है जिसमें it wasn't uploaded here but we still have. Right now plan is this कि मैं उस वाले assignment को भी complete करूँगी जो MIS का है, second one. And tomorrow morning मेरे पास कुछ काम है in my to-do list to get done except this assignments. तो उसको करने के बाद I am thinking to get done my supply chain management and operations वाला जो subject है उसका assignment. उसके बाद I will be doing my management of industrial relation part 2 का assignment. So yes, let's see कैसे क्या होता है. I'm sorry for the bad camera angle, but मेरे पास मेरा भी tripod नहीं है, and for me right now is my assignment which I am doing right now. Okay, let's see.
Dame un círculo de magia.
Got this pan blue color. Then we have this in black color, and then also I got this school register for my new semester. Basically for practice I have got this, and this one is my college register. This one. This is my box. I'm using to keep my stuff right here. I have collections of calculators. This one is my old calculator which I have painted by my own. Hi everyone, welcome back. Like this is day 2, and I just got assignment is still left. एक्चुअली मुझे हेयर वॉश करना था आज क्योंकि अर्ली मॉर्निंग पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है. सो एक्चुअली मुझे हेयर वॉश करना था विच आई डिड एंड जिसकी वजह से बहुत लेट हो गया ऑलरेडी. नाउ मेरे 2 असाइनमेंट जो हैं बचे हुए हैं विच आई नीड टू गेट डन बाय एनी मीन्स टुनाइट क्योंकि आई हैव नो ब्रेक कल की क्लास में. दिस इज बेसिकली ब्लू हेवन का फ्रूट बार विच आई रियली लाइक. It makes your lips very smooth. So what I was saying is that कि मेरी कल जो है मॉर्निंग से क्लासेस हैं 7:30 बजे से लेके टिल द इवनिंग के 5 बजे तक, जिसमें मेरे जो भी असाइनमेंट्स दिए हुए थे आई हैव टू सबमिट इट बाय टमोरो. वो भी उसकी हार्ड कॉपी सबमिट करनी है. That means I have so much work to do, so I am going to get that done. मेरे फ़ोन में स्टोरेज नहीं है, that's why I'm not able to record every possible thing to my phone, but I am trying my level best कि जितना record हो पा रहा है I could record and post. I'm done with my assignment. Now this is like my MIS का assignment 1 and this is my assignment 2 of MIS again क्योंकि ये tutorial assignments था जो कि doubt related class में हमारे assignments होते हैं. इसके basis पे हमारी attendance लगती है. Now this is my supply chain management का assignment, like this both. Still I have to draw my diagram. This is my MIR2 assignment. Okay, wait, this 2 is like the newest one. So yes, यही सारे assignments हैं. In total it was 6 in numbers. So guys, this was it from my side. Finally सारे assignments are done and कल मेरा college है. I will go and attend my classes. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next video. Hope you all have enjoyed watching it.